Mitambo ya ukinyaniria ni huthitie utabania wa mihang'o itiganite ari ni hamwe na uhuri wa biacara no o uria uhuthiri wa mitambo uradanduka noguo WIKINAI wa KIMITAMBO uraigiha. Muhiano wa uria WIKINAI wa KIMITAMBO uratabanio ni giko gia ica ikuhĩ rĩrĩa mitambo ya eCitizen ĩrĩgĩte guthogwo na kuria motungata maya mambire kurugama kwa ihinda. Na riu kamiti ya gutabarira ungethaniri wa WIKINAI yoyo yugite ciiko cia guthogwo kwa mitambo WICI nenda-ini andu kwihanania nangi na matanya ma kwiguna niciongererekete na njira nene. Arugamiriri kamiti-ini no makihinyiriria bata wa guthinga mienya iria iraiga muingi hatikaine.
There is actually fragmented, I can say, lack of a coordinated framework on handling issues to do with e-commerce. It is a very important sector of the economy because the future of commerce in Kenya is actually electronic. So the regulations are basically talking about protection of critical information infrastructure and cybercrime management, which has become a major problem. And I think from the comments we are getting from the public, most of the views are around management of cybercrime, from fraud, identity theft, e-commerce, hawks and so on and so forth.
Murugamiriri wa MITARATARA ya UGITIRI wa mitambo kamiti-ini no Dr. NJOGA augite thirikari iri mubango-ini wa gutigirira mitaratara ya thirikari igie ugitiri nenda-ini ni yaringana na ikiro cia kimabũrũri.
So the issues to do with the impersonation of social media accounts, people hacking other people's passwords and logging into their accounts and doing dirty things there, impersonating the owner of that account. Those are some of the issues that were raised. We are hoping that these regulations, once they come into force, they will help address some of those challenges.
And these regulations are calling upon critical sectors, for example, to establish these operation centers, cyber security operation centers within the organization. So in the end, it will look like an added budget to individual institutions, but it is part of the plans of enhancing cybersecurity in the country.
Akiaria ari mucemanio-ini wa kuoya mawoni ma muingi megie mendekithia ma watho wa maundu makonie uhuthiri muru wa kompyuta na ciiko cia WIKINAI nenda-ini. Njoga augite watho uyu ni ukuhotithia ruhonge rwa ugitiri gukurana na kung'ethanira na ciiko ici ihinda riria riagiriire. Maria mangi watho uyu wendekithitie kuhitana namo ni ukugia wa wara nenda-ini, guthogwo kwa mitambo na andu kwihanania nangi.
We are going to improve on the draft and come up with the regulations that will help us as a country move forward and support the government's agenda of digital transformation and place Kenya as a leading digital economy in the global map.
Kiumia giki minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki ari mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie ugitiri niendekithirie guthondekwo kwa mawatho marumu maguteithiriria kuhitana na uhuthiri muru wa kimitambo thutha wa kambuni imwe kuma bũrũri wa Amerika iria itambulikanite ta Worldcoin gukorwo ikirogota data cia Akenya mugano na watho.
This crypto thing, I need to know who is doing what, the source of whatever investment which is being put there, where it is going, and the entire chain. You know, we must be able to regulate it. If we cannot regulate it, then it is, in my view, should not be allowed.
Kamiti ino irongania mawoni ma muingi kuma icigo ciothe na igatiriha mihang'o ino tariki 22 mweri uyu.